Hello guys, in this video today I will tell you the basics of After Effects, very basic things. This tutorial is for beginners. You see that the After Effects is open. When you open that, just make sure that this default is check not learn, yeah, or standard or small screen is just default. You see that there are some options: file, composition, help, some toolbars. The toolbars are not all enable. There is a panel, and there are few options like this. Just leave it. Now the first start, just click on the new composition, and you see that there's a pop-up, and make sure that the HDD 1080 29.96 is selected, and the time for duration is in the duration is just for the beginning is just for 4 seconds is okay. And now there are many options that are enabled: text option, pen tool. If you use Photoshop Illustrator, you know some of these options as well. Stamp tool as well. Now just click on the scale, and there scale is created. Now you see that this point, when you create it may be somewhere else when you create a scale, but now it is center. Just this is called anchor point. Just to move this, you see the icon left side of scale pen behind anchor point. You see that this is anchor point tool. You can move it, and what it is actually the center point. I know that this is not in the center, and how to explain this? This is a center point, center of. For example, just click on rotate. It rotate around this point, and now what if I move it to somewhere else and rotate it? Yeah. Yo, so just now click on this and press Control. Now press and hold Control, and you see that it will start snipping, and make sure that it snips to the center point. Now, if you rotate, it rotates from the center point. Now, where we are going to do some basic animation to this. Just click on the this tool, selection tool, and make so it's somewhere, and move the shape to the somewhere in the center. Now you see something like this. You click just the arrow of shape layer. Now click on transform, and you see some options: anchor point, position, scale, rotation. I will teach you position, scale, rotate, and opacity. In position, you see the two options. The first one is for x-axis, and second one is for y-axis. Also the control keys work same as in other software. Same. Now for position, just click on position. There you see the clock here, and now move to the clock. You see that it is moving. Now you can also do some x-axis animation to it. And now for the scale animation, you see there's a two option. It is same as but you have to uncheck this by clicking on it. But when you check it, you can have both options enable, and when you check it, you can see that it scale up and down with proportion. Now just here you can see that when you click on it, it will be first option for x-axis and the second option for y-axis. Now just undo this. And just scale it up. Now just select both of these by selecting and keyframe, and it will go on. Now just click on the clock of rotation, and then start rotating. You see that? It start rotating. Now opacity. What opacity do? Mean it's raise or some sort of despairing or appearing. It is very common in. Now start keyframing it from beginning. Opacity for click, just click on the clock opacity, it is 100%. Now click in somewhere in the layer and remove it, and now you can see it is disappearing. And now the most important thing is that you can combine all of these properties. Okay, for example, first click on position, make it somewhere there, or maybe anything, there is no rule to follow. Also opacity is 0, it is make it 100%, so it is start appearing. Scale, start scale, rotation, and start rotating. Now you will see. Also, you can add more than one keyframe in one property, more than two keyframe in one property, like that. If this is the position for this, remove the position. Position is there, add position is there, and now position is there, position is there, position is there. Like you can see, this is very simple. You can do it same with the opacity. Now let me show you how it actually look. This is very basic, not a very complex thing. Also, now come to the shortcut key for position. For example, this is not, you just want remove them all and create a. Also, one more thing, when you click and hold, there are some other options like eclipse, polygon. Let's go to the polygon. Now click anchor point, click control, move the anchor point to the center. Also, if I am in hurry, what shortcuts do I use to make easily keyframe? For example, position, press P, it appears. It work as same. Now click on, for scale, click S, first word, and for rotation, the first word R. If for opacity, it is not the first word, it is the second last word, T, opacity T, because T is the main focus. Opacity T. Thanks for watching.